Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between performance appraisal and performance management. Performance appraisal implies a rational assessment of the performance of an individual, based on predetermined standards. On the other hand, performance management alludes to the management of performance of the manpower working in an organization. While performance appraisal is a yearly system, while if we talk about performance management, it is a continuous process that does not occur eventually. So, let's look into the basic differences between performance appraisal and performance management in a tabular form. Difference number 1. An organized way of evaluating the performance and potential of employees for their future growth and development is known as performance appraisal, whereas the complete process of managing the human resources of the organization is known as performance management. Number 2. Performance appraisal is a system, whereas performance management is a process. Number 3. Performance appraisal is inflexible, whereas performance management is flexible. Number 4. Performance appraisal is an operational tool to improve the efficiency of employees, whereas performance management is a strategic tool. Number 5. Performance appraisal is conducted by a human resource department of the organization, whereas managers are held responsible for performance management. Number 6. Performance appraisal is conducted annually, whereas performance management is an ongoing process. Number 7. Performance appraisal has an individualistic approach, which is just opposite in the case of performance management. Number 8. Performance appraisal focuses on quantitative aspects, whereas performance management focuses on qualitative aspects. And difference number 9. In performance appraisal, corrections are made retrospectively, whereas performance management is about forward-looking,